We're almost out of firewood, guys. I'll show you here. This is what we got left. I can't see because I'm looking at the sun. But yeah, that's what we got left. We're getting low. No? Now, I'm thinking I'm going to order a load of logs, but I'm going to put the logs out here at the other end of the building and move all my firewood work over there, a little further away from the house, behind that building. Yeah, my dad's getting older, so I keep interrupting his afternoon naps. So once this is going, I think the firewood's going to go over there. And I think I'm going to do it by ordering triaxle loads of logs. I think. I haven't decided yet. But I think that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to run into a problem getting the truck in. See the big tree limb there? That's only about 8 feet off the ground. So I'll probably have to knock the big limb off of that tree just so I can get a truck back. I think. I don't see any other way around it. It's probably what I'm gonna have to do though. But Homelite Super XL-923, 82cc saw. We got her running. Now today we're gonna put her into some wood and see how she does, and get our baseline for what we're getting ready to do here to it. See, we're gonna try to get a little more out of the saw. Nothing crazy, just a little bit. I don't want to have to go trying to find a really big carburetor to feed this thing, if you know what I mean. So we're going to try to keep it within the carbs limits, but you never know. We're going to give it a run, see what happens. So enjoy. Later. All right, the Homelite Super XL-923. So I can already tell you it's going to need duckbill valves. It's spewing out, and the chain is in really bad shape. So I gave it a quick sharpening, but just for a test cut, it's all right for now. It's going to need more attention though, a lot more attention. Rakers are way off. I don't want to put the time into it right now just for a test shot, if you know what I mean. So we're just going to deal with it and see if we can get this thing in with some wood. Alrighty, let's see what happens. Well, it seems to be suffering from a small air leak, and the chain is awful. But besides that, I think we're good to go. It's tuning up like it should. For the most part, I mean, everything's doing like it's working like it should. So I think we're ready to go ahead and roll on this one. I might make a few more test cuts, but I'm pretty happy. Till next time. All right, later.